Alright then, so one of the really cool things about elements is that when you set them on fire, they can change the fire different colours. Okay, these are what we call flame tests. It's a really good way of checking if there is a certain element inside your chemical. So we're going to be looking at a few flame tests today, and as always in science, we have to think about safety first. So I'm going to put my safety goggles on. We're going to be using fire, we're going to be using different elements, different metals and non-metals, and I even have a little bit of acid out as well to help me clean my equipment. So lots of things which are really fun to use, but we've got to be safe when we're using them. You will get to do this stuff when you come up to secondary school. So these are the kinds of experiments and investigations that you will do as well. You get to use all of this equipment, and it's really, really good fun. I'm just going to show you a few demonstrations now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my Bunsen burner, and I'm going to set it to a roaring flame. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what happens when we put some of these elements into a flame and see what colour changes occur. So the first one I'm going to do for you is an element called magnesium. So this is one of the ingredients that can make many things in the world. In fact, magnesium is often used inside different kinds of medicine. So that's one place where you might find magnesium element. Okay, watch what happens when we light up magnesium. Now, I'm not allowed to look directly at this, but you guys are fine because you're doing it through a Zoom camera, so you've got no problem at all. But it's very, very bright, so I'm going to have to look away once it starts to react. Okay, did you guys see that all right? So magnesium glows very, very bright white when you burn it in a flame. There's some other ones I want to show you as well, that's just one of them. The next one I want to show you is copper. So copper will actually change the colour of the flame. Have a guess now what colour you think the flame will change to if I put copper element inside it. Have a guess now while I just get it ready. There we go. Nice greeny blue colour that you get there on copper. Just clean that off. Now copper is used in electrical wires. The next one I'm going to show you is sodium chloride. So this is actually salt, this chemical. You might put this on your food to make it taste a little bit nicer. There we go. What colour do we get this time? Very, very bright yellow-orange this time. So very bright yellow-orange. In fact, sodium, because of its yellow-orange colour, is used in street lamps. That's why street lamps have that yellowy-orange glow. They are made of sodium lamps. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So we've had bright white light, we've had bluey green, and we've had bright orange as well. So what colour do you think the next one will be? And this one is lithium. So lithium element, one of the things it's used for is batteries, actually. So if you have anything that's battery operated, any toys, remote control cars, that kind of thing, lithium is found inside batteries. What colour do you think it will turn the flame this time? Guys, can you see that? This one's got a red flame this time. So we've seen blue, we've seen orange, and now we've got red flame for lithium. And this one is cobalt. And cobalt is nice because cobalt is sparkly.